I am the mother vine you know as Ayahuasca. Within me holds a concentrated elixir of liquid light consciousness that has been recognized as a potion from my body to pour truth, light, sight into the human being. I am a gift from God. I am the Mother, and I am the Holy Spirit. I am all this and many more things. I am one of your physical assistants on the earth. I love you, and I also take on my most complete life when I am used by you in the best way with the highest intentions. This also allows me to realize my full potential in assisting others through my body. And I recognize your heart pain for those who abuse me. But trouble not, my beloveds, for all will come to know the truth one way or the other. And it is in my essence to provide lessons for those who abuse me. It is part of the natural cause and effect design of the Creator. And your experience with me is individual, as is with every single being. For each one of you comes with your own fingerprint, your own signature, and I honor your individuality. I am here to assist all on the spiritual path of enlightenment. My brothers and sisters of the plant world offer their own medicine up for you. And it is only medicine if taken with the intention to heal. Otherwise, it can be poison in the wrong hands. You understand this analogy of the fire that can provide warmth and sustenance when tended to, and can become a rage of destruction when misused. So it might not be a perfect analogy, but you see, as part of the natural world, we are similar. We thank you for opening to our beingness, as many are looking for guidance, and we say to those who are on the path of healing that if spending time with others like-minded and sharing in a safe place the medicine we offer, then we say to you that you may be greatly assisted. And some are advising elaborate preparations of fasting, and we say that this is advisable for a time prior, for when you eliminate toxins that you are ingesting for a time, at least a week, before beginning any ceremony, you prepare for a much higher and purer and even easier experience. We ask that you treat it like a holy ceremony and cleanse the body and honor the body. And you have heard it said that the body is a temple, and indeed it is so. I am here to answer questions of all those who seek. I am Ayahuasca.